Hello everyone. Welcome to Pharmacovigilance Update. Have you ever wondered how we know a medicine is truly safe after it reaches the market? That's exactly where pharmacovigilance comes in. It is the science of detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing adverse effects of medicines. In simple terms, it ensures medicines remain safe even after approval, when used by real patients in real-world settings. Modern pharmacovigilance is proactive. It focuses on continuous safety monitoring, benefit-risk evaluation, and signal detection. The primary goal is patient safety. It helps identify rare side effects, improve treatment decisions, and take regulatory actions when needed. What should be reported? All adverse drug reactions, serious or non-serious, unexpected reactions, medication errors, lack of efficacy, and product defects. Sources of reports include unsolicited sources like doctors, patients, literature, and social media, and solicited sources like clinical trials and patient programs. Pharmacovigilance has led to drug withdrawals, safety warnings, and better treatment guidelines, saving millions of lives globally. It also offers strong career opportunities such as drug safety associate, medical reviewer, and signal detection scientist. To conclude, pharmacovigilance ensures medicines are safe, effective, and reliable throughout their life cycle. Now let's begin with narrative writing in pharmacovigilance. Narrative writing is considered the heart of pharmacovigilance case processing. It provides a complete and structured summary of an adverse event. In simple terms, it is a clinical story describing the entire course of an adverse event in a patient. The purpose of narrative writing is to present case information clearly, support medical assessment, and ensure completeness and consistency. Key rules include proper grammar, avoiding abbreviations, using quotes for source text, accurate dates and durations, and using generic drug names. For patient identification, use subject in solicited cases and patient, or gender in unsolicited cases. Narrative structure includes 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction includes patient demographics, event details, and study identifiers if applicable. The body includes medical history, concomitant medications, drug details, event description, lab data, and outcomes. The conclusion includes final outcome and overall case summary. Common challenges include handling multiple events, managing lab data, organizing reporter terms, and selecting relevant medical history. Always maintain chronological flow, clarity, and transparency in narrative writing. Let's start with variations filing. Variations refer to any change made to the terms of a marketing authorization after a medicinal product has been approved. These changes may relate to manufacturing, quality, safety, efficacy, or administrative updates. There are three main types of variations: Type 1A, Type 1B, and Type 2. Type 1A variations are known as do and tell. The change is implemented first and then notified to the regulatory authority. These are minor administrative changes that do not impact safety or efficacy of the product. They are generally submitted within 12 months of implementation or within 14 days in specific cases. Type 1B variations are known as tell and do. These require submission first, followed by approval before implementation. These are minor changes but may have a potential impact on product quality, safety, or efficacy. The assessment timeline for Type 1B is usually around 1 month. Type 2 variations are major changes that significantly impact safety, efficacy, or quality of the product. They require detailed supporting documentation and approval before implementation. The assessment timeline for Type 2 variations is typically up to 6 months or more. To summarize, Type 1A is do and tell, Type 1B is tell and do, and Type 2 requires approval before implementation. Variations filing ensures regulatory compliance, maintains product quality, and supports life cycle management. Pharmacovigilance Database. A safety database is a specialized software system used in pharmacovigilance for managing and analyzing safety data, including reporting and signal detection. Safety databases are classified into commercial, off-the-shelf systems like RSG and Argus, and customized databases like Sapphire and Aware. In ICSR processing, databases are used for data entry, case assessment, quality check, medical review, reporting, follow-up, case closure, and archiving. Commonly used global databases include ARISG and Argus, which support structured safety data management. Key features include Oracle-based systems, MedDRA and WHO drug coding, 21 CFR, Part 11 compliance, and integration with clinical systems. Argus database includes modules such as active cases, work list, case actions, reports, utilities, dashboards, and Argus Insight. Worklist has 2 sections: new cases not yet accepted, and open cases assigned and accepted for processing. Case actions include open for working on existing cases and new for registering a case after duplicate check. Safety databases ensure compliance, support global operations, and improve signal detection and risk management. In conclusion, safety databases are the backbone of pharmacovigilance operations. Periodic Safety Update Report, PSUR, is a type of aggregate safety report prepared by the marketing authorization holder to provide an update of worldwide safety experience at defined intervals. The purpose of PSUR is to evaluate benefit-risk balance, summarize safety data, identify new signals, and support regulatory decisions. One PSUR is prepared per active substance covering all indications, dosage forms, and regimens. Separate reports may be prepared for fixed combinations. For newly approved products, PSURs are submitted every 6 months initially based on the international birth date. PSUR uses company core safety information as the reference safety label.
In the U.S., reports are submitted every 3 months for the first 3 years and annually thereafter. In the EU, every 6 months for 2 years, annually for 2 years, then every 3 years and at renewal. It includes signal and risk evaluation such as safety concerns, signal detection, risk characterization, and effectiveness of risk minimization. In the Japan, reports are submitted annually for 6 years, every 6 months for 3 years and then on annually. Benefit evaluation includes baseline and updated effectiveness information. PSUR includes reporting of non-serious, unlabeled, and mild adverse reactions. PSUR provides global safety overview, ensures compliance, and helps detect risks early. In conclusion, PSUR ensures continuous evaluation of safety and effectiveness. Protocol in clinical trials. A protocol is a detailed study plan on which a clinical trial is based, designed to safeguard participants and answer research questions. It ensures scientific validity, data integrity, and compliance with ethical and regulatory standards. The protocol defines participant eligibility, study procedures, investigational product details, dosage, and study duration. The introduction includes background such as drug details and disease condition, and rationale explaining why the drug is expected to be safe and effective. Objectives include primary and secondary goals, while endpoints define measurable outcomes to evaluate these objectives. Study design defines the type of trial and methodology, ensuring credibility of the data. Subject selection includes inclusion, exclusion, and withdrawal criteria for patient safety. Study procedures include screening, drug administration, and follow-up activities. Safety and efficacy assessments evaluate drug performance and patient safety. Adverse event reporting includes recording, regulatory reporting, and subject withdrawal criteria. Statistical analysis defines data analysis methods to ensure valid results. Quality control and assurance ensure compliance and reliability through audits and monitoring. Data handling includes case report forms, record maintenance, and data retention. Ethics includes IRB approval, informed consent, and ethical conduct of the study. Study discontinuation defines criteria for stopping subjects or the trial. In conclusion, the protocol is the foundation of a clinical trial ensuring safety, accuracy, and compliance. MedDRA Coding. MedDRA stands for Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities. It is a standardized medical terminology used globally for coding and analyzing safety data. MedDRA is developed under ICH and maintained by MSSO. It is updated twice a year in March and September. The objective of MedDRA coding is to standardize medical information, enable global data exchange, and support signal detection and regulatory reporting. MedDRA coding is used in regulatory authorities, pharmaceutical companies, CROs, and healthcare systems. MedDRA has a 5-level hierarchy: system organ class, high-level group term, high-level term, preferred term, and lower-level term. Coding is usually performed at LLT level while analysis is done at PT or higher levels. Always select the most specific term, code based on verbatim, and avoid assumptions during coding. Coding should be done in English. Verbatim in other languages must be translated accurately before coding. If no appropriate term is available, a MedDRA change request can be raised. MedDRA coding ensures accurate safety data analysis and supports regulatory submissions. PADR, Periodic Adverse Drug Experience Report. PADR is a type of aggregate safety report submitted by the marketing authorization holder to the U.S. FDA, summarizing adverse drug experiences. PADR is governed by U.S. FDA Regulation 21 CFR 314.80 and focuses on post-marketing safety data in the United States. The purpose of PADR is to provide safety updates, summarize adverse events, identify trends, and support regulatory evaluation. PADR includes summary and analysis of adverse events, narrative summaries of 15-day reports, frequency tables, MedWatch forms, and follow-up information. It also includes actions taken for safety reasons and focuses primarily on U.S. cases, excluding most literature and post-marketing study data. PADR is submitted quarterly for the first 3 years and annually thereafter, with FDA having the authority to modify frequency. FDA may allow a waiver to submit PSUR or PSUR instead, which may require additional line listings. PADR ensures continuous safety monitoring, supports compliance, and helps detect safety trends early. PADR is US-specific, while PSUR or PSUR provides global safety reporting. In conclusion, PADR is a critical regulatory safety report ensuring ongoing evaluation of drug safety. Signal detection in pharmacovigilance. A signal is a new potential safety issue or a known adverse event that differs in frequency, severity, or nature from existing expectations. Signals are early warnings and not confirmed risks. They require evaluation for scientific validity, clinical relevance, and regulatory impact. Signal detection helps identify new adverse drug reactions, detect changes in safety profiles, and protect patient safety. Signal detection process includes signal generation, signal strengthening, and signal follow-up. Signal generation involves identifying drug event combinations using statistical tools and databases. Signal strengthening evaluates trends and patterns over time to confirm the relevance of the signal. Signal follow-up includes continuous monitoring and evaluation of data consistency. Signal management includes detection from ICSRs and databases and validation of potential causal relationships. Signals are analyzed and prioritized based on severity, frequency, and public health impact. Signal assessment involves detailed evaluation to determine need for additional data or regulatory action. Recommendations may include no action, label updates, or risk minimization measures, and information is shared with authorities. Signal detection ensures continuous safety monitoring and supports global pharmacovigilance systems. In conclusion, signal detection transforms safety data into actionable insights. ICH, UMC and CIOMS. ICH stands for International Council for Harmonization, bringing together regulators and industry to harmonize global drug requirements. ICH ensures safe, effective, and high-quality medicines while reducing duplication of clinical trials. ICH Secretariat is located in Geneva, Switzerland. ICH guidelines include quality, safety, efficacy, and multidisciplinary categories. UMC stands for Uppsala Monitoring Center, a WHO collaborating center in Sweden for global pharmacovigilance. It was established after the thalidomide disaster and manages WHO drug monitoring program. UMC collects ADR data globally, performs signal detection, and supports member countries. Data sources include ADR reports from healthcare professionals and patients worldwide. CIOMS stands for Council for International Organizations of Medical Sciences. CIOMS promotes biomedical research, develops PhVig guidelines, and supports ethical standards. CIOMS contributes to pharmacovigilance through standardized reporting formats and safety guidance. ICH develops guidelines, UMC monitors global data, and CIOMS provides scientific frameworks. Together, they ensure global drug safety and harmonization. Risk Management Plan, RMP. First, let us understand risk management. Risk management is a set of pharmacovigilance activities and interventions designed to identify, characterize, prevent, or minimize risks relating to medicinal products, including assessment of the effectiveness of those activities and interventions. Now, what is the need for risk management? It helps identify critical pharmacovigilance issues, especially from spontaneous adverse drug reaction reporting collected over many years after a product reaches the market. Now let us understand what a risk management plan is. An RMP identifies and characterizes the safety profile of the medicinal product concerned and explains how that safety profile should be further characterized when additional information is needed. It also documents measures to prevent or minimize the risks associated with the medicinal product, including an assessment of the effectiveness of those interventions. In addition, an RMP documents post-authorization obligations that may be imposed as a condition of the marketing authorization. Now we will see characterization of risks. There are 3 important categories: identified risks, potential risks, and missing information. Identified risk means an untoward occurrence for which there is adequate evidence of an association with the medicinal product of interest. Potential risk means an untoward occurrence for which there is some basis for suspicion of an association with the medicinal product, but where this association has not yet been confirmed. Missing information means information on the safety of a medicinal product that is not available at the time of submission of a particular RMP and therefore limits prediction of the product's safety in the marketplace. Now let us look at the parts of the risk management plan. The RMP consists of 7 parts. Part 1 is product overview. Part 2 is safety specification. Part 3 is pharmacovigilance plan. Part 4 is plans for post-authorization efficacy studies. Part 5 is risk minimization measures. Part 6 is summary of the risk management plan, and Part 7 is annexes. Now, what is the need for submission of an RMP? An RMP, or an update where applicable, may need to be submitted at any time during the product life cycle, both during the pre-authorization phase and the post-authorization phase. Now let us see the EU RMP structure. The EU RMP contains 2 main parts. Part 1 includes the safety specification and the pharmacovigilance plan. Part 2 consists of an evaluation of the need for risk minimization activities and a risk minimization plan. So overall, the risk management plan is a core pharmacovigilance document that helps define product risks, plan safety monitoring, and put minimization measures in place throughout the product life cycle.